Welcome to All About Family. Today's topic is about washing hands. Watch it and have a conversation. While you do that, click on the subscribe button. Hey kiddos! Welcome to our super fun hand-washing adventure. Are you ready to become hand-washing heroes? Today we're going to learn how to wash our hands in the most fun and exciting way possible. So, put on your superhero capes and let's get started. Today, I'm going to show you how to wash your hands the fun and easy way. Washing your hands properly is super important to keep those nasty germs away and stay healthy. First, let's turn on the water. Make sure it's running smoothly. Make sure it's nice and warm, but not too hot. We want it to be just right, like Goldilocks porridge. Always test the water with your fingers first to make sure it's comfortable. Now let's get them wet. Splash around a bit and have some fun with the water. Next up, grab some soap. Any soap will do. You can use a bar of soap, liquid soap, or even foamy soap. They all work great. And now the fun part, scrubbing. Rub the soap all over your hands to make lots and lots of bubbles. Scrub-a-dub-dub those hands for at least 30 seconds. That's about the time it takes to sing the happy birthday song twice. You can sing the ABCs or your favorite song while you scrub. Singing makes the time fly by and ensures you scrub long enough. Remember to get the backs of your hands, between your fingers, and don't forget your thumbs. These spots are where germs like to hide. All right, time to wash off the soap and dirt. Rinse your hands thoroughly under the running water. Make sure all the soap and bubbles are gone. But wait, let's take a closer look at our hands. Do you see any dirt under your nails? Sometimes dirt can hide there even after washing. If you do, don't worry, we can fix that easily. Just grab some more soap and give those nails a good scrub. It's important to keep our nails clean too. Make sure to get all the gunk out from under them. Clean nails are just as important as clean hands. Now rinse your hands again under the running water. We're almost done. Now let's dry our hands. Use a clean towel or a paper towel to dry them off. Dry hands are happy hands. Make sure your hands are completely dry to avoid any germs sticking to them. And there you go, super clean hands. Look at how shiny and clean they are. Great job. Remember, washing your hands is super important to keep you healthy and strong. It's like putting on your superhero armor. So make sure to wash them often, especially before eating and after playing outside. Germs can be sneaky, but with clean hands you can defeat them. Thanks for watching Hand-Washing Heroes. Keep practicing and you'll be a hand-washing expert in no time. Keep those hands clean and see you next time. Stay healthy and keep shining, little heroes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe now and share the videos with someone who wants to know more about it.